Hey, welcome back to the channel, traders. Today we're going to cover Albemarle, which is a chemical and lithium ion company, a massive global company, and we're going to start off by analyzing it from the weekly perspective. And the ticker symbol on this is ALB, so Albemarle, ticker symbol ALB. And I'm going to show you why I think this chart has massive potential and is definitely oversold, but I think it's on its way upwards, and I think we have a lot of opportunity in front of us. So I'm going to start off by showing you the weekly chart dating all the way back to early 2010, where you have this pivot low connecting it with this pivot low in 2020, and then you can see right now we are under it, right? We're under that diagonal support. So you can see we came down, and on the weekly we came back up, touched it, and right now we're kind of consolidating down below. Interestingly enough, though, I want to apply a couple other trend lines. You can see we're also in this descending wedge on the weekly, which is one of my favorite patterns. A descending wedge breakout is chef's kiss. Awesome opportunity to make a lot of good money. So again, downsending wedge on the weekly, and now I want to apply some of my other analysis and show you some other things, and we're going to switch to the daily time frame. Okay, so we're going to go in here, make this a little bit larger, and I want to bring your attention to a few things. So I'm going to reapply the latest inside this descending wedge. We also have this essentially, I mean, it could be viewed as a bear flag, right? So it's making bearish consolidation. However, I want to show you, bring your attention to this. Okay, so we're going to zoom in a little bit more and give you a little education on this and show some things that I'm seeing, right? So, and let me reapply the text. Okay, so you can see we had this bear flag, right? So you have this sharp move down. You have this consolidation here. I'm gonna just put this on here. And you can see we're essentially in a bear flag. But if we take this one away, we're also in this kind of triangle. And these are notorious for breaking. Actually, they can go either way, up or down, right? You don't know until they fully realize. So you can see something very interesting here. And this I want to take a moment to drill down and share this with everybody, because it's a good educational opportunity. So I think this is a bear trap, and I'm going to tell you why. So you have this break through it, and you have this close right here, right at 55.73, and you got this tail, and you see this massive red volume. So that's indicating there was sell pressure, but then there was also buy pressure, which closed us with this kind of hammer candle with this middle close. Then the next day, same kind of thing. Opened here, closed down below it. However, we did not close below this low on the previous day. So let me show you this. So you can see the close was above it. So what that means is when you don't close below the low of the previous day or the breakdown, so that's not a confirmed breakout. Or breakdown rather, right? So let me take this off. Then you had yesterday where you had this massive green buy candle, takes us back into the wedge, or into this triangle right here, and then you have today, right? So today shows us that was probably and most likely a bear trap. So I think we're going to be going higher from here. Now, how high? We're not out of the woods yet, and here's why. Because you still have this bearish consolidation, right? So if we draw this on here and we extend this out, I mean, this still technically is a bear flag, but you had this breakdown that failed, and failed moves lead to large moves in the other direction. So at a minimum, I think we're coming back to test this trend line, and that's that long-term trend line going all the way back to 2010. So at a minimum, I think we have opportunity to make, about 8%, 6 to 8% just to this trend line here. And then we just have to watch price action from there. But my suspicion is we're going to break out. I think this is primed and ready to go for a breakout. And here's why too. You had, look, this big green buy volume down here at the lows, and then you haven't had any big green or red sell candles aside from this one, which, as we just identified, is a little misleading because a lot of that is buy back up volume on the confirmed or non-confirmed breakdown. So I thought this would be an interesting one to cover because I think it presents a lot of opportunity. Like I said, at a minimum, back to 64, 65, probably pop in here, maybe consolidate. What I'd love to see it do is build like a bull flag and build bullish consolidation right there, and then maybe pop through, come back in, and then consolidate down below, retest here. So something like this. This would be the pathing, right? So we'd come up, consolidate here, consolidate here, consolidate here, maybe something like that, maybe pop up through it and then come back down and retest this, right? And then boom, we're off to the races. So that would be a really cool pathing to see happen. I'd love to see that. Then that would give us, if you're not getting in here and you're not playing for this little percentage here like I'm doing, you can ultimately just put this on your watch list. Watch for the breakout, watch for the retest in this range, and then boom, that's your entry. So a couple different ways to play this. Again, like always, no financial advice will be given on this channel. This is simply for educational purposes only, and just some of the things that I'm doing with my own personal trading strategy. I encourage everyone to do their own due diligence, do their own homework, and do what's right for them. But again, to circle back to this education, really love this setup. I think there's a lot of opportunity. Looks like a bear trap to me. And I think this one's going higher. So I hope everyone found value in this trading analysis and this education today. If you did, please show love, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, tick that little bell, and be on the lookout for these daily analysis videos that are going to be coming by as I identify opportunities in the market. Till next time, thanks guys. We appreciate you tuning in. Take care.